Okay, yeah, welcome to this class. Today we are going to talk about how to use Jupyter Notebook. Uh, Mr. Once you open your Jupyter Notebook, this is what you see. You see the file, where to save your file, support the save as this to edit. If you want to edit your work, use to undo cell or do operation, cut cell, copy and paste below. Then this is used to run. To run cell, select the type of cell, select this a line that you want to run, execute. This is the kernel. The interrupt kernel, just as the case may be. Or language can use here to select language English because we are still dealing with English. The theme can use light or dark mode as the case may be. So that's what we use for. Today we'll start with the very basic in Python. We're going to start with the very basic in Python and the usefulness of Python. Python is a programming language that can be used for web development, computer game, and so more, and so on and so forth. It's very versatile. It can also be used for data analysis, machine learning, and so on and so forth. Today we're going to discuss on variables in Python. Variable in Python. So let's put on the markdown row and put on the HM or variables in Python. That will be the lesson for today. Variables in Python. Shift wrong. Okay, variables in Python. So what are variables? Okay, variables. Let me use this. Variables. A variable. Let me use word single a. A variable is the smallest unit of data. It's a smaller unit of data stored in programming language. A variable in Python is a name, location, memory used to store data. It acts as a container. It's a container for values that can be changed. Okay, during execution, the case may be in the program. During execution, the program at the case may be that can be changed during education in a program. So during execution of a program, full stop. Okay, that is what or the reason why I to change one to mark that so that okay, during execution of the program should enter. Okay, good. That is what we define. That is how we define a variable. It is smaller unit of data stored in programming language. It acts as a container for the values that can be changed. Yes, that can be changed during the execution of a program. Python variables do not require explicit declaration of type. The type is inferred based on the value assigned. So what are the characteristics of variables in Python? They are dynamic. That is, the value of the variable is not fixed. That's why we say they are dynamic. For example, I can say x equals to 10, and later I say okay, print s or print x. When you run it, we give you the answer. The answer is 10. But I can equally say s. Okay, as anytime you do this, you disturb me. What you want to continue?
For your class, so I don't do anybody conflict with your car.
No.
Or you just have my check for the certificate.
I never do certificate now. I feel baby. I feel baby now. I use. Hello. Okay. Can enter print x. We said that okay, s have also given us a hello. Before it was an integer, but now they have changed to what? A string. Okay, So the variable in Python is not static. That is, they can change. That's why variables in Python, they are dynamic. You can change the variable to suit exactly what you want to do at a particular time. Okay. Now there are case sensitive, and there are naming rules. Some rules you need to know when you want to name variables. One of them is that once you start with small letter, you end with small letter, or you start with cap letter, you end with or an underscore. An underscore is basically used for boolean of data types. 2. Avoid using reserved key. There are some reserved key in Python that you cannot use to name a variable. Example are if, s, y, class, objects, loops, as the case may be. Now, how do we declare a variable? We declare a variable by assigning a value to it. Examples of variable declaration. For example, we will click on markdown. We are in this side. Example of variable declaration. Come to this place, markdown. Okay, variable declaration. Example, we have okay. Click on hash. Example of variable declaration. Click shift. Okay, example of variable declaration. First of all, we talk about name. Name can become a variable if we assign a value to it or anything to it. We want to declare the word name. Name equals to, then I put any name of your choice. Can put John. Close it, and you print name, so that Python will give you the name. Python will give you the answer you assign to the word name. So when you click on name, print to the John is the name. Okay, the next one, we'll say age equals 25, or can make it 45 as the case may be. That is one print on enter. We click on print. We do the print value. We click on print. Put age in the bracket. You see, okay, we said the age is 45. Or Python execute what we installed as age, and it gave us what 45. So that's how we declare variable. We assign value to it, and the value determine the data type of the variable. Okay, for example, if it is number, whole number, positive or negative, we call it an integer. If it's a decimal number with decimal point, we call it a float. If it's a sentence, a name of a person, we call it a string. If you have true and false okay, value either true or false, we call it boolean what data type. Okay, now common operation in Python, you come this place, markdown. Okay, common, put hash, we are writing a setting, that's why we convert to markdown. Common operation and common operation with variable. Common operation with variables. Okay, run it. That is the next topic, common operation with variables. Then the next one will come, okay, we change, okay, it's already automatically changed to code. Common operation with variables, and then it's okay. First I will say A is equals to 15. We say B is equals to 3. Then with the third line we say total TOTAL equals to A plus B. I want to print total, then click on print total A, print total. When you print total, Python will give you the answer, and the total will be 18. Shift enter, give you 18. That will be exactly the output of what we are doing. I'll give you the total. The next one, we can reassign. The word reassign means changing the value of the variables. Now we assign different numbers to the same variables, it will also give us what we're looking for. We